In this video, we will show you how to use CDPS to back up and restore your SQL Server data. Before we go to these operations, we will firstly introduce how to install the SQL Server agent. Log into CDPS with the user account provided in the email. Please note that the username and password fields are case and space sensitive, so be sure to enter them correctly. Once you log into CDPS, you will be directed to the dashboard. Here you will see various information about your hosts, storage pool, jobs, etc. The left-hand side menu contains several tabs that allow you to perform different operations, including backup, restore, and agent installation. To install the agent, navigate to the Resource tab and click on Resource. From here, find the Install Agent icon at the top left corner and click on it. You will then need to select the system on which you wish to install the agent. In this example, we select Windows. Select the file, double-click Access key to copy it, and click the Download button. After the Windows package is downloaded, copy it to the Windows host. Double-click the package to launch the setup wizard. Click Next. The file and Microsoft SQL Server components are selected by default. Click Next. Enter the backup server host IP and access key. Click Next. Confirm the destination folder or specify another folder for the installation. Click Next. Wait for the installation to complete. After the installation is completed, return to CDPS. Click the refresh icon. The host with the agent installed will be displayed on the screen. To access the SQL Server resource, select the host and click on the Login button next to SQL Server. Enter your SQL Server username and password in the login window that appears, then click Login. When you have successfully logged in, the Login button will transform to a Logout button. This indicates that you have successfully logged in to the SQL Server resource. To begin the backup process, click on the Backup tab located on the left-hand side menu. This will bring up the backup page on the right-hand side of the screen. On this page, you will be able to configure your backup job. First, select the appropriate host and resource. When you access the Backup Source tab, you will have the option to select any of the 3 backup types available, namely Full Backup, Cumulative Incremental Backup, and Log Backup to secure your data. Pick the most appropriate backup type for your situation and choose the specific data you would like to back up as your backup source. Then click Next. The system will automatically use the default storage pool, named after your username, as the backup target, then click Next. Select your desired backup schedule type from options such as immediate, one-time, hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly. After selecting your backup schedule type, click Next to proceed to the Backup Options tab. Here, you can configure various backup options including common and advanced options. Common options include compression and channels to improve backup speed, while advanced options such as reconnection time, speed limit, can help you optimize network usage. You can also configure other options according to your needs. Once the backup options have been configured, click Next. A backup job name will be generated automatically. Feel free to change it if desired. Be sure to review the backup job configuration before submitting the job. After submitting the job, you will be directed to the job page where you can monitor the progress of your backup. The state of your backup job will be displayed by a relevant state icon. Once the job is successfully completed, the state icon will change to a green check mark. If you want to view more detailed information about your backup job, simply click on the job name. This will open a job details window displaying basic job info, log, history, and alerts. To initiate a restore operation, navigate to the Restore tab in the left-hand side menu and go to the Restore page. The process of creating a restore job is similar to that of a backup job. First, select the host and resource, followed by the restore type. CDPS supports 4 SQL Server restore types: media restore, Point-in-time restore, disaster recovery, and recovery testing. Choose the restore type and configure relevant options. You can click the time beside restore to point-in-time. In the pop-up window, drag the slider to specify a point in time for the restore. Click the tick. Click Next. Select the restore target. Set the job schedule. Click Next. Set the restore options. Click Next. Before submitting the restore job, review the configuration and customize the job name if desired. Click Submit. A verification window will appear. Enter the verification code and click OK. The restore job begins. Click on the restore job name to view its details, including basic job info, log, history, and alerts. We hope this guide has clarified CDPS's backup and restore operation. If you have any further questions or require additional assistance, please don't hesitate to contact our support team. Thank you for choosing CDPS to safeguard your valuable data.